go with the DIY resin kit from Vuba. Depending on the area that you want to cover, you can use different techniques and they provide different kits for the area. Bag of stones. We've gone for Danish mix in 2 to 5 mil. Easier. We've got ourselves a container which we're going to mix it in and a steel trowel. We went for a little bit of a bigger one just because we thought it would be easier to do it. So we're ready to go. So it's already been weighed out for you, so you've got the correct quantity to do these one at a time. What we've also got is this paddle mixer which we've hired. It's just a little bit bigger than the one that we already had, which hopefully will make it a little bit easier to do, is to pour the activator into the resin and then to mix for 90 seconds. Once you've mixed those together for 90 seconds, you pour it onto the aggregate and mix for another 120. To pour. There you go, it's therapeutic. We're just using the steel trowel to level it off. We went for one with a point to make going into the edges a bit easier. We've been going for just about an hour and it's looking really good. Easy to do?
Yeah.
No, it is.
It's actually